actually, no, I'm gonna do the intro later.
Literally a meme video.
Yeah, so, day 1 of recruitment.
Do you have somewhere you want me to put them in your room?
Oh,
We're shooting right now, can you?
and under my bed, there's, next to the suitcases, behind the vacuum,
What room are
there's
you
like a blue bin.
That seems like a really official room.
No, it's under my bed. There's like a blue bin.
What room are you? Like, what room do you live in? Yeah, so hey vlog, we're trying to get off.
Oh yeah, we didn't even say, okay. I bought the skirt for recruitment and the security tag is still on it. Like literally I bought it like 10 minutes ago, like not even joking, because I'm like last minute.
We're good.
Yeah. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Ah! I love you so much.
Yeah. We had to kind of fuck it up a little bit. But she's done. She's ready.
I'm not, though my face is not ready. Oh
Allie, where do you want me to put this?
So, priming my face right now. This is like not good footage. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's not working. How about this? Okay. Okay. So I am a sophomore in G5 chemistry data. This is my first time recruiting. I'm so freaking nervous. I'm just using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I have like half an hour to like be done getting ready. So I don't even know if I can get pictures in since I'm like taking forever. So we're gonna be talking. We have 7 rounds. So no, I'm not gonna wear lashes for like 5 hours straight. Cause the recruitment starts at, it's right now it's 4 o'clock basically. And recruitment is from 5:30 to 10:30. So I'm not gonna be wearing lashes for that long for the time period. Like, you miss me if that. For like day 2 though, I want to wear lashes only because we're gonna be wearing dresses. But day 1, like, we're wearing skirts and a t-shirt and sandals. So I don't think that calls for eyelashes. So if you watched my Make of My Life vlog, which I'm going to post before this vlog, you'll know why I'm stressed. And I got my nails done and they're like supposed to be tan, but they're like all green. It's so gross. Taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer only because I love this bronzer so much. I've been using the Fenty Beauty bronzer recently and it is so red on me. It's not even cute. Like I hate that bronzer, honestly. So we've just finished all the rounds of day 1 and day 2 is house tours and our house is flooding right now. Like, it's flooding really bad. Well, like, my house in the basement, so it's kind of bad. And then this is my closet. And it's like starting to come in through here and there. And we had to put everything that was like on the floor, like on my bed, or like just touching the ground or anything. And I'm just so pissed. It's like if my wallpaper literally gets wet, I'm gonna cry because I spent so much money and so much time on this wallpaper. Oh, ew.
This is the worst one, dude.
And then Ellie's room is literally.
Are you on the phone?
I'm just. No, I'm like vlogging.
What do you have?
So, update. It's getting worse. And we moved all of like our stuff into like the big 5 room. And then it started flooding in here too. You can like kind of see it. Like this is where it ends right now. I don't know. I'm just sad. I like plopped my mirror on a bed so it can like stay safe, whatever. And I broke another bulb, so now I have 2 bulbs missing, and I'm just kind of pissed.
It got up to our house.
Oh, I don't even know, like, what do we even do?
You can even say.
She's almost at the top.
The water is like literally enough in for our house. It's fine. We're fine. Okay, update. Just got into the house. This is so gross.
Kelsey Knudsen censored our thing.
Do you mind tonight? You guys, but she had small video.
Yeah, so like I don't know how early they got.
Exactly. Like sit
So
down.
now I'm gonna fucking.
So it's like 3 a.m. I cannot sleep for some reason. And I'm just so sad looking at my room. It's like super wet. I'm gonna stop walking here actually because it's sounding kind of gross. Like you can hear the water through the tiles. I'm just gonna take like my bath stuff and go. So sad. Like this is so cute too. Like I wanted to like show off the pictures of me. I didn't show them. It's fine. Whatever. Turn off the lights. It's so sweaty. It's so hot in here. But my dress is from Forever 21. It's kind of whatever. And then my shoes are new and they're from Fentanyl as well. And these little rhinestone thingies, hair clips, are from Ragstock. My necklace is from Ragstock as well.
Yes.
Well, craft day right now. And this dress, it's black. It has this little ruche thing, and it is from Forever 21. And then my shoes are from Steve Madden.